Panasonic has released the ZS80, which is identical to the ZS70 in almost every way except one. They increased the height of the body and mode dial on one side of the camera slightly. Housings with a serial number lower than 71628 can have an additional spacer washer added underneath the mode knob when using the ZS80 to make up for this additional height. This spacer can be acquired by ordering the 9295.07 kit. Housings with serial number 71628 and higher ship with this additional spacer washer installed and will therefore automatically be calibrated for the ZS80. When using the ZS70 in these housings, simply remove the second smaller washer. Adding or removing washers is simple. Use the smallest hex key included with the housing to loosen the set screw found in the side of the knob so it can be removed from the shaft. Use both a thick and a thin washer with the ZS80 and a thick washer only with the ZS70. Make note of where the flat is on the side of the shaft. Place the knob back onto the shaft until it bottoms out, then tighten the set screws back onto the flat. That's it. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to shoot us an email to ikelite@ikelite.com.